It's really amazing to hear about the key role played by women. How has this changed their standing in the community? Do we see the recognition of the immense leadership role of women in this community response to the pandemic?
A very good evening, Amitabhji, and thank you so much for having us here. So it's often said that, a crisis brings out the best in people, that real spirit of humanity. And what we saw in the villages and the urban towns that we work in, that women actually came together. So they have self-help groups, which are actually savings platforms. And these self-help groups actually pledged that they would start stitching masks for their community. So they distributed these masks to their neighbors. And these women also were in the forefront of actually ensuring the precautions around the spread of COVID-19, whether it was physical distancing at common hand points, water points where people went and collected for water. So, it was women who actually made those signs that, you have to maintain that physical distance, ensuring that people in their villages wore masks. In some of the areas that we work in, we also had a large number of migrants who returned, and it was women who actually led interventions on running kitchens to feed these migrants who were kept at quarantine centers till they were able to go back to their homes. So yes, I think women really proved themselves as change agents in the community and really led these initiatives on the ground. I'd like to share an example of an Anganwadi teacher in Telangana who every morning during the lockdown would get up, stitch face masks, and because she was mandated to actually visit the children in their homes to see whether they were healthy, she would actually distribute face masks as she went around in the villages. So I think women, whether they are ashas, whether they are Anganwadi workers, whether they are women self-help group members, have really taken that lead in actually ensuring that precautions are adhered to. We spoke about COVID warriors. We've been hearing also in previous panels talk about COVID warriors. And I would really think that women in every way have played such an important role in this pandemic situation.